Okay. Fine. Guys, before we start with the technical, practical, I'll just let you go through uh, what what are we going to do. That I'll just clear the picture. तो सबसे पहले हम आर्किटेक्चर थोड़ा समझते हैं कि एक्चुअली डेटाबेस या फिर एसक्यूएल इसकी जरूरत क्यों पड़ती है. ओके. फाइन, आई ट्राई हियर. सो गाइस, आप सभी ने कोड किया है, राइट? आप क्या करते हो सिस्टम के अंदर? लेट्स से x इक्वल्स टू 5 एक वैल्यू है, y इक्वल्स टू 6 एंड z इक्वल्स टू, आप कुछ ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करते हैं x प्लस y एंड इट बिकम्स 11. ओके. सो इन दैट केस x एंड y की ये जो वैल्यू है ये रैम के अंदर, ओके, रैंडम एक्सेस मेमोरी विच इज विच परसिस्ट इन योर मदरबोर्ड. ओके. तो ये रैम के अंदर ये बॉक्सेस में किसी एड्रेस पे ये वैल्यू स्टोर होकर रह जाती है. ओके. एंड जैसे ही आपका प्रोग्राम एग्जीक्यूशन यहाँ पर बंद हो जाता है, जैसे प्रोग्राम एग्जीक्यूशन बंद होता है, ये पूरी वैल्यूज क्या क्या कर देता है, क्लियर कर देता है. ठीक, आपका जो भी प्रोग्राम है, जो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम या फिर पाइथन जो है, वो पूरा क्लियर कर देता है ये सारी चीजें. ठीक. अगर वैसा नहीं करना है हमें, लेट से कल मैं फिर से अगर आता हूं तो आई नीड टू सी कि क्या डेटा था, कौन सी वैल्यूज थी, ये सारी चीजें मुझे फिर से चेक करनी है. सो आई नीड टू अगेन परफॉर्म दैट ऑपरेशन, आई नीड टू अगेन पुट द वैल्यूज 5 एंड 6. तो वैसा अगर नहीं होना चाहिए, इसी के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, उस डेटा को कहीं फाइल में या फिर डेटाबेस में स्टोर करके रख सकते हैं. ठीक. किसी फाइल के अंदर आप स्टोर करके रख सकते हो. लेट्स से मैंने एक फाइल बनाई, एक्सेल शीट. ओके. और यहाँ पे वेरिएबल्स एंड देयर वैल्यूज ऐसा लिख दिया. सो आई विल से एक्स वाई जी. ओके. 5 6 11. आई कैन कीप दैट फाइल. ओके. और इसको हम सेव करके रख सकते हैं सिस्टम के अंदर. लेट्स से डेटा डॉट XLS. ओके. Second way, what we can do, we can keep this thing in database. Okay, हम ये क्या कर सकते हैं, डेटाबेस में भी रख सकते हैं. Let's say in our case, what database we are using? We are using MySQL database. और MySQL database के अंदर ये डेटा जो होता है, ये ऐसे टेबुलर फॉर्मेट में रोज, ठीक, एंड कॉलम्स टेबुलर फॉर्मेट में स्टोर होता है. वहां पे हमारी आईडी रह सकती है, वेरिएबल रह सकते हैं, उनकी वैल्यूज रह सकती है. ठीक. सॉरी, वेरिएबल के नाम मतलब एक्स वाई एंड जी. लेट मी जस्ट क्लियर दिस थिंग. इरेजर. ओके. तो जो डेटाबेस के अंदर डेटा स्टोर करके रखते हैं हम, वो टेबुलर फॉर्मेट में रखते हैं, लाइक दिस. ओके. रोज एंड कॉलम्स के फॉर्मेट में. तो आईडी एक्स वाई जी. ओके. तो 1 2 3 जितने चाहे उतने रिकॉर्ड्स आप यहाँ पे रख सकते हो. लेट्स से 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11 12 13, whatever we want to store, we can keep it in database. Okay. एक जनरल डेटाबेस, जो डेटाबेस में हम कॉलम्स यूज करते हैं फॉर प्रैक्टिस पर्पस. ओके. what we do, we keep name, एज एंड सिटी. ओके. आईडी 1 2 3 जो कि ऑटो इंक्रीमेंटेड रखते हैं हम हमेशा. एंड यहाँ पर आपका डेटा रहता है. ठीक. तो ये पर्टिकुलर जगह पे आपका डेटा स्टोर रहता है गाइस. ओके. सो डेटाबेस के साथ फिर हम डेटाबेस पढ़ क्यों रहे? बिकॉज वी नीड टू परसिस्ट दैट डेटा समवेयर. ओके. आफ्टर प्रोग्राम एग्जिट, प्रोग्राम एग्जीक्यूशन खत्म हो गया, उसके बाद भी वो डेटा स्टोर कर कहीं ना कहीं सेव रहना चाहिए. एंड हाउ कैन वी एक्सेस दैट डेटा? सो Okay, we need to persist that data, and once your data has been saved, okay, आपका डेटा सेव हो गया, तो उसको हम कहाँ यूज कर सकते हैं गाइस? लेट्स से दिस इज db and all our data we can access using पाइथन प्रोग्राम। ओके, जो भी डेटा है वो ट्रांजेक्शन कैसे होगा, मैं पाइथन से डेटाबेस में कोई डेटा स्टोर कर सकता हूँ एंड डेटाबेस से वो डेटा फिर रीड भी कर सकता हूँ एंड आई कैन शो इट टू यूजर, यूजर के स्क्रीन के ऊपर। ओके, हम वो डेटा शो कर सकते हैं। ओके, व्हाइल टेकिंग इनपुट फ्रॉम यूजर, हम इनपुट फंक्शन का यूज करके यूजर से इनपुट ले सकते हैं एंड दैट डेटा वी कैन स्टोर इन डेटाबेस। ओके, so that's how we are going to access this database। okay, and सबसे पहले तो हमें डेटाबेस सीखना जरूरी है। ओके, पाइथन वी हैव लर्न लॉट, एंड उसके बाद हमें डेटाबेस अभी सीखना जरूरी है एंड देन वी विल सी दोनों के बीच में कम्युनिकेशन कैसे करना। ओके, सो विल स्टार्ट विद लाइक वी हैव स्टार्टेड विद द एसक्यूएल, बट थोड़ा अभी 2-3 वीक्स का ब्रेक हो गया है, सो वी आर गोइंग टू रिवाइज द सेम टॉपिक एंड देन बाय नेक्स्ट वीक we are going to start the communication between Python and MySQL DB। Okay, why are we learning MySQL DB? Okay, वो भी एक क्वेश्चन आ सकता है guys। MySQL DB ही हम क्यों यूज कर रहे हैं? Because it is the most popular database used by industry। Okay, if you see in Stack Overflow survey, okay, in Stack Overflow survey you can see MySQL still at the top। okay, and MySQL हो या PostgreSQL हो, Microsoft SQL हो, कोई भी SQL हो, उसमें हमेशा SQL ही प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज या डेटाबेस की लैंग्वेज बोल सकते हो उसको, वही हमें यूज करनी है एंड दैट इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न। ओके, सो SQL के अंदर भी डिफरेंट डिफरेंट पार्ट्स आते हैं। ओके, SQL के अंदर भी डिफरेंट डिफरेंट पार्ट्स आते हैं। कौन कौन से पार्ट्स है वो एक बार जस्ट उसको देख लेते हैं, गो थ्रू कर लेते हैं। ओके, सो सबसे पहला पार्ट जो आता है दैट इज DDL। ओके, DDL अभी क्या होता है? सो डेटा डेफिनेशन लैंग्वेज। ओके, डेटा डेफिनेशन लैंग्वेज। अब व्हाट डज इट मीन? अगर मुझे कोई डिफाइन करना है कोई भी चीज, लेट्स से डिफाइन डिफाइन मतलब कि मुझे टेबल कैसा होना चाहिए। ओके, उसके अंदर कॉलम्स कौन कौन से होने चाहिए, लेट्स से रोल नंबर एंड मार्क्स, सिर्फ इतने कॉलम्स होने चाहिए, आईडी रोल नंबर एंड मार्क्स। सो दैट इज व्हाट कम्स इनसाइड इन DDL, डेटा डेफिनेशन लैंग्वेज में। एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस में ये वन टाइम प्रोसेस होती है, मतलब आपने एक बार डेटाबेस का टेबल बना लिया, उसके बाद आपको बार बार बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है। बार बार आपने क्या करना है, सिर्फ उसमें डेटा इंसर्ट करना है या फिर वहां से डेटा सिलेक्ट करना है, मतलब ऐड करना है या फिर रीड करना है। ठीक, DML ऑन द अदर हैंड, ठीक, डेटा मैनिपुलेशन लैंग्वेज। ठीक है, डेटा मैनिपुलेशन लैंग्वेज में क्या होता है गाइस कि आपको कोई भी रिकॉर्ड अगर इंसर्ट करना है, वो रिकॉर्ड की वैल्यू लेट से अपडेट करना है, अभी यहाँ पर 5 है, कल चल के यहाँ पर 50 करनी है, तो अपडेट करना, और वो रिकॉर्ड पूरा का पूरा डिलीट करना। ठीक है, ये पर्टिकुलर रो जो है, ये रिकॉर्ड रो जो होती है, ये पूरा का पूरा रो अगर मुझे डिलीट करना है, सो आई कैन डू दैट थिंग एज वेल। एंड ऑल ऑफ दिस थिंग्स, all of these thing comes under what guys? All of these things comes under DML, data manipulation language। okay, all of these things comes under DML। okay, ये data manipulation language में आती है इस चीजें। ठीक, and then last one, okay, last and important one for us, okay, DQL। okay, हम लोग for now just DQL, DML and DDL ही देखेंगे। okay, just a second guys। ओके, फाइन। सो DQL के केस में क्या होता है कि आपको जस्ट डेटा प्रोजेक्ट करना है, जो भी डेटा डेटाबेस के टेबल में है, ओके, जो भी डेटा डेटाबेस के टेबल में है उसको प्रोजेक्ट करना है। प्रोजेक्ट मतलब आप क्या कर सकते हो, वो डेटा को सिलेक्ट करके किसी भी यूजर को वो डेटा प्रेजेंट कर सकते हो, वो किसी भी फॉर्मेट में हो। मतलब उसमें ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि वो टेबल में जितने भी रिकॉर्ड्स है वो सारे के सारे ही शो होंगे। आप मिनिमल डेटा भी शो कर सकते हो, फिल्टर भी कर सकते हो, उसमें एग्रीगेशन भी कर सकते हो। ये सारी चीजें पॉसिबल है वेयर इन DQL, डेटा क्वेरी लैंग्वेज। ओके, इसका फुल फॉर्म रखेंगे हम, डेटा क्वेरी लैंग्वेज। ठीक है, दिस आर ऑल कम्स अंडर DQL। अब इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, लेट्स से समथिंग कॉल्ड एज DCL, TCL एज वेल। ओके, तो वो चीज हम बाद में चेक करेंगे जब इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर लेवल पे कुछ अगर चीजें अगर हमें देखनी है, जरूरत पड़ेगी, तब हम उसको देखेंगे बैकअप वगैरह कैसे लेना है, ग्रांट कैसे देना है, परमिशन। ओके, बट फॉर नाउ वी आर जस्ट फोकसिंग ऑन विच पार्ट गाइस, वी आर गोइंग टू फोकस ऑन DQL. Okay, DQL. And after while making the project, हम लोग एक प्रोजेक्ट भी बनाने वाले हैं, इंटीग्रेशन बिटवीन दिस पाइथन एंड डेटाबेस। सो इन दैट केस हम लोग DML भी यूज करेंगे। मे बी नेक्स्ट वीक वी आर गोइंग टू सी दिस DML टॉपिक एज वेल। ओके, चलो अभी जस्ट रिवाइज करने के लिए लेट मी जस्ट सी कि कितना चीज याद है आप सभी लोगों को। सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, वी आर गोइंग टू परफॉर्म सम like SQL, we are going to execute some SQL queries by logging into our system. Okay, जो CIA क्लाउड हमारा सर्वर है, क्लाउड पे हम उस पे लॉग इन करेंगे एंड सिलेक्ट की कुछ क्वेरीज फायर करेंगे वहां पर। सो सबसे पहले आपने गिट बैश ओपन करना है, अपना टर्मिनल ओपन करके यू कैन गेट इनटू द सिस्टम एंड देन वी कैन परफॉर्म दिस SQL ऑपरेशन। ओके,
So I had a question.
यस प्लीज।
Sir, is the DQL, DML, and DDL all part of SQL?
You can say, let's say, let me just show you. Let's say we have a bigger set. Okay, we have a bigger set of DB. In DB, we have SQL. Okay, in SQL, there are subsets. Okay, there are subsets. So DML,
Okay.
DQL, and DDL as well. Okay, these are the subset. Okay,
So they
and
make up SQL.
sorry.
They make up SQL.
Yes. And then if we want to perform operations on database, okay, so there is another another set we have. Okay, there is another set we have. What we can say, there is an operating system. Okay, the major one is the operating system. Inside operating system we can have databases. Okay, we can have different databases. Let's say according to MySQL. Okay, MySQL database, MS SQL, that is come from which company? Microsoft. Okay, Oracle database is also there. Oracle database is also there. So out of which we are using MySQL database. Okay, so inside MySQL, okay, inside MySQL also we can have different things. So let's say this is the bigger bubble of MySQL. Okay, and inside MySQL we can have different databases. Okay, okay, let's say this is for the college. Okay, this is a different database for, let's say, e-com website. Okay, this is different database for, let's say, Netflix. Okay, so we can have different databases, and inside the database we can have different tables, guys. Okay, table 1, table 2, table 3, table 4. Okay, similarly in ecom website, if it is a different database, there we can have different tables. Okay, T1, T2, T3, T4, and T5 as well. Okay, Netflix also we can have different tables. Okay, so the bigger set is operating system. Inside operating system you can have multiple database software, MySQL, Oracle, or MS SQL. And inside each software you can have databases. Okay, multiple databases. College DB is the one, ecom DB is the second database, and Netflix. So we can like bifurcate this thing, and then we can use college database to store different data. Okay, let's say for students. Okay, the table one name is students, teachers. Okay, results, your exams, subjects. Okay, different database tables we can have in a single. But for this ecom can have a different types of tables. Let's say customers, bills, orders. Okay, here also we can have the movies, series. Okay, so different types of tables we can have. So we can bifurcate and we can easily find out the data where it is getting affected. If we have found any issue, so we can simply go to that particular database table and we can find or identify the issue. Okay, so that is why we modularize these things. Okay, guys.
Okay, so one more thing.
Yes.
You said one way to store your data is in SQL, but before that you said another way. What was that?
Okay, so we can store data, and this is for all. This is for all members, guys. If you go for the interview, also they might ask you this question in interview as well. Okay, for freshers who have just graduated from the college, they can in interview also they will ask you what are the two ways to store the data. The one way is you can store it in a file. The another way is you can store it in database. Okay, so
Oh,
if
okay.
I put anything in file, there is high chances of error redundancy. But in case of database table, there is very less chances you can make mistake. Let's say if I want to store unique data, okay, there is a column phone number, okay, there is a column phone number here. This is inside the let's say Excel, and this is inside the let's say any data file. Okay, and this is inside the database table. Okay, so I can apply constraint on this that this should be unique and should not accept any duplicate value. If I say
Okay.
one, if I try to save one here, it will not allow. Okay, but in case of data, if I save one, and it might also allow me to save, because in let's say Word file we can add as many data as we have, we can. Okay, so that kind of validations, manipulation are very easy to adjust.
So, like using the table is much easier than database.
Yes, exactly. And inside the file, the redundancy is the very major problem, and
Okay.
it always create issues. Data may be duplicated, data may lost. We can't keep tracks. But in case of database table, it is very easy to manipulate this thing. That is
Okay.
why people
So
prefer.
yeah, so we can save our codes on database, right?
Yes, and um, like filtering also very easy in database. Like Excel is also, Microsoft Excel is also one of the type of database only. We can have more validation, but the integration between the programming language and database is much easier than the programming language with Microsoft Excel. That is why people prefer databases over Microsoft Excel or files. Okay.
Okay.
So guys, we'll start with the practical, and I'll give you short classwork also in between, but we'll more focus on the DQL part today. And by end of this session, I'll give you one assignment also, which we can practice later. Okay, I think the links are not here, but I'll share the links. Fine. So guys, you need to connect with the CI cloud server, let's say. Okay, with your by using your account. Okay, and there you can type MySQL -u command for username, and you need to use this DIT user, and -p. After -p, you don't need to specify the space. You can directly put the password, and it will allow you to log in. Okay, and in case you want to directly go to database, directly econ, so you can put this. Okay, try this command, guys. MySQL -u DIT user -p without space shift 5 password, and then econ is the database. Okay, this is the command. I'll post it in a chat. Yes. Okay. So we'll practice, we'll revise all the topics which you have learned in the last SQL session. This is the shortest command to directly go into the ecom database. And to verify whether I am in ecom database or not, so you can run this command. We recommend to people prefer to software engineers prefer to use capital letters for keywords and small case for column name, database name. Column name and database name. Show tables, okay, and you can see tables in ecom.
So I got an error.
Have you tried the same command? MySQL -u dit user and then -p shift 5, okay, and then space ecom, okay. So if you are still getting the error, just share your screen.
Access denied for user DI.
Yeah, let me just check, okay. Please share your screen, and I think Siley ma'am is there. Siley ma'am, please guide him what he is getting error. Siley ma'am.
आफ्टर पासवर्ड 5 के बीच उसने स्पेस दिया है सर ecom.
No, that is correct. Can you see the spellings?
Okay, DIIT users.
Okay, Delhi, India, and then Thailand. Okay, it should be DIIT. Okay, we call it as Diploma in Information Technology. The username is DIIT, not DITT.
Okay.
Okay, you can just press the up arrow key, and you can remove the extra T and put I. Yeah, replace it with I. You don't need to go to the end for entering the key. Okay, you can press enter in between also. Okay, if you are at start as well, your cursor is at start point, you can press enter from there as well. Okay, now show the tables. Show tables.
Yeah, I did. I was getting confused with that part. Got wrong. I didn't see the other command.
Yes, please show the tables. SHOW and tables.
Yeah. In capital, so small.
Yeah, we use like capital keywords for capital letters for keywords, okay, and small case for table name and column names.
Okay.
And enter. And if you forgot to put the semicolon, you can simply put the semicolon here as well, and then enter. Okay, you don't need to type it again. Okay, because
So do we enter employee?
We can search the data from employee, the select star from employees. Okay, just you can unshare your screen. Viman, let me just share. Okay, guys. So how many tables we have? We have 13 rows, 13 tables we have, and out of which employees table we are going to see. Okay. So the first one is select star from employees. Okay. Yeah. Let me just show you why we are using capital letters and why people are preferring. So in W3 schools also, if you go to search for SQL commands, okay, here you can see, can you see guys? Select from, these are the keywords. Okay, these are the keywords. They write in capital case only. Okay, and others you can have in a Pascal case or small case as well. Okay, that is why people recommend it in capital letter. Okay, fine. Now what we are going to do, just go, yeah, select star from employees, and it should show me all the data available in that employees table. Okay, so you can see there are 42 rows in that set. Okay, 42 rows in that table. Try this command, guys. SQL command.
Yes, sir. I got the same thing as well.
Same.
You got the same output, guys. 42 rows.
Yes.
Okay, so we
Yeah.
are on the same page. Okay, the next important command is, and why it is important, because I'm not able to identify which like column has the which out like which value. So for that you can put backslash and capital G here. Okay, for that you can put backslash and capital G and try the output. It should show in pretty format. Okay, it should show the data in pretty format. Backslash and G, capital G. It should show data in pretty format. Okay, now I can see how many columns I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9. And out of which I just need to project only 3 columns, guys. Okay, out of these columns, ID, name, contact number, address, salary, employee ID, role, created at, updated at. Out of these columns, I need to project only 3 columns. Okay, the terminology we use is projection. Okay, so I want to project only 3 columns. What I need to do, I need to put name, address, and salary. Okay, only I need to project name, address, and salary. In that case, I can show I can run this command by replacing that star with this name, address, and salary, and enter. And you can see the data. Only it is showing 3 columns. Okay, only it is projecting 3 columns. Try this command, guys.
Yes, sir. It's working.
Now the class work for you guys. Show me only 10 records. Show me only 10 records. What should I do? I just need to show only 10 records. It is showing me now all 42 records. I just want to see only 10 records.
So maybe we can do limit 10.
Great. Okay. So we can do limit 10. And it will show me only 10 records, guys. Okay. The next one is, can you show the title of this heading? Okay, the title heading here. It is showing address. So instead of address, can you show city, guys?
We
Instead
can
of
do alias.
great. So you remember those commands. Okay. So we can do alliance. So instead of address, it is showing me city. And what if I want to show, instead of address, I want to show city name, then it is giving me error, guys. How can I remove, how can I resolve this error? Can anybody try? It should,
Sir, I think city name, I think it is 2 words, so maybe underscore.
no, I don't want to use underscore. You can try the another way. I want space in between. Okay, city space name. So I don't want to use underscore. Any other approach?
You can use quotation marks.
Double quote.
Double
Great. Okay, so double quotes you can use. Double quotes or single quote also do work. Okay.
Oh, okay.
We use this in programming, right? Single quote on double. The next one is, I just need to show a city name. Sorry, I just need to show this address. Okay. So what I can do, select address from employees. Okay. In this case, it is showing me 42 rows, but I want to show unique addresses. Okay. Unique means the Nashik should not be repeated. Let's say Mumbai should not be repeated. Okay, so it should show only once. It is now repeating. It should show only once. So what command I need to run, guys?
This thing.
Exactly. So if you want to show the unique records, you can put the distinct and it will show me. So from 12 cities, I have employees from 12 cities. Okay. I have employees from 12 cities. Now, guys, can you please show me? Okay, I'll just put it here. Show.
For the Mumbai, could we do where, like address where Mumbai?
Exactly. So there you need to use where clause. Okay. We say
So can we also use and or in?
not for now. Only in where clause you need to put equals. Okay, equals operator. You can simply say Mumbai. Okay, in small case.
So we'll have to write address equals to address where equals to Mumbai, right?
It should like let's say select name address.
Employee where address is equal to Mumbai.
Exactly. Where address
Address is
Oh,
equal to Mumbai.
okay.
equals
Mumbai in double quote or single quote.
So I'm getting the same output.
great. The next one, show all employees from Mumbai or I should say or Mumbai or not.
Okay, so we can say Mumbai and Nagpur.
You can try it if it gives me if it gives me correct one, I can put it. Right.
Okay. Oh, so it would be like select name, city, name, address, and salary, where address equals to Mumbai or address equals to Nagpur.
Exactly.
It's working for me.
What if I want to show one more city?
Then maybe we could do. Could we use commas and then and in the end?
Yeah.
Instead of equals operator, what we other option we have? If it is the same column value we are like checking, so we can put instead of equals, we can use in operator, guys. Okay.
What does in and what does in do?
Okay, instead of equals, you can simply say in Mumbai, Nagpur. Okay.
Oh, so in it will put a it's for more. It's like it does the same thing as or, but it's for more than 2, right?
Yes. No, you can have a single value as well, but it is like it is more readable. Okay. More readable.
Okay.
You can put single value as well, multiple values.
It's working.
Great. The next challenge, try this, guys.
Okay. So it's working.
Are you able to show all the employees?
Yes, sir. I did the same code from before, from Mumbai, Nagpur, and Nasik, and then I just did and salary is greater than 50,000.
Great salary. Try this.
So 1 second, my database just stopped working.
Okay. You can just close the terminal, log in again, and then try the same command.
Okay.
Completely how to do it.
Okay, look here, guys. So if the salary between 50,000 and 90,000, yeah, 90,000. So what command I need to use? Let's just clear this. Okay. So salary and between, what you can use between 50,000 and 90,000. Okay, so it will filter out like this. Okay. Now the next command is, let's say I want to show all the employees sorted by their salary. Okay, I want to show all the employees. Okay, I need to use.
My last one wasn't working.
Okay, let's just share your screen and let's Saili ma'am check your issue. Share your screen. Okay, you are running the command in terminal. It should be in MySQL shell. Okay, so first you need to log into MySQL and then
Oh, but sir, I didn't log out from MySQL.
Yeah, I think it got stopped. Maybe you have, by mistake, you have pressed Control C or Control C. Okay. Check the jobs if it is showing in jobs or not. Okay, jobs is running. So by mistake, you might have pressed Control Z. So press FG to bring it in for foreground. Okay.
Yes.
Run the
Yes.
command. No, enter. Enter, press enter. Okay. Now run the command. Okay. Use ecom. Only use ecom. No, don't need to write
FG.
FG. Okay, remove that FG. Now we can run that.
Come.
Great. Fine. You can unshare your screen. Okay, guys. We'll have a short break of 5 minutes. Then we'll come back and see the remaining topics. Okay. Just 5 minutes of short break. Okay, welcome back, guys. We'll see two more topics now. The first one is order by. Second one is sub SQL. Okay, wildcard characters we'll see in the next session. Okay, but sub SQL I want to cover today, so I'll take that one. So order by, first of all, order by. Let's say I want to show all the employees data. Okay, name, address, and salary. But the salary should be in sorted order, guys. Okay, the salary should be in sorted order. So how can I write that query? Anyone from the audience?
So you could put order by if you want to make it ascending, then ASC, then descending, then DESC.
Okay, order by salary. Let's say it is showing in the ascending order, and for descending I can put DESC, and it is showing me in descending order. So top 10 salaried employees if I want to show, then order by salary DESC, and I can put the limit. So it should show me top 10 salaried employees. Okay, try this command, guys.
But so how will you make it order by salary? Write salary at the end.
Can you please repeat the question?
No, I didn't see the salary before the descending limit. I thought we didn't have to write it this. I was confused.
Okay, limit you need to put at the end only. Okay, if I
Okay.
put like this, okay, limit if you limit it in the start, I think, yeah, it should give me error because I want to sort first and then show only 10 records first. Okay, that's how it should be. Limit clause we always put it at the end.
It works.
Great. For V1, please give me confirmation, order by working or not.
I'm just finishing typing the code.
Okay, just take your time.
Yes, sir, it's working.
Great, thanks for the confirmation. So the last one, the last topic for today, we are going to see. And before that, we just need to see why it is important. So there's something called as sub SQL, and let's just understand the concept first. So let's say I have some record. I have some records and I want to, let's say this is the SQL. Select star from employees. Okay, this is the SQL command. And if I want to run one more SQL in between, okay, I can say select, let's say name and comma, I can put another SQL here and this SQL is nothing but called as sub SQL. Okay, from employees. Okay, let's say I want to show the salary. Okay, select salary from employees. Okay. And that to limit only one. Okay, so one column it will show me. Okay, this will show me only one column. Let's try this. Try this command.
So, sir, what would be the sub SQL in the?
Yeah, let's say select salary from employees. Okay, it is showing me all the record. What if I want only one record? I will say limit one. Okay, guys, this is only one value it is showing me. Now, if I want to use this 45880, okay, inside any SQL query, if I want to show this 45880, how can I show? I have two options. I can simply say select, okay, name, comma, salary from employees. Okay, it is showing me all these columns, and I can put another SQL instead of column name. I can put another SQL as well. Okay, select salary from employees limit 1. Okay, so can you see, guys, it is showing me that value everywhere, 45880. Okay, earlier we have run like this, and now like this. Okay, so if I'm using any SQL inside any SQL, okay, so that inner SQL is called as sub
Sub
SQL.
SQL. Okay.
Inner SQL is nothing but your sub SQL. Try this example, guys.
Yes, sir, it's working for me.
Great. Let's say there is a function max, okay, maximum salary it is going to show me from employees. What is the maximum salary? 95,000. Okay, you need to find all the employees having maximum salary. Okay, you need to find all the employees having maximum salary. So in that case, what I can do? Select name, salary from, say, employees, where salary equals to, what is the maximum salary, guys? 9,50,000. Okay, and it is showing me all the records. Okay, now if I like increase the salary from 9,50,000 to, let's say, 10 lakh. So in that case, I need to come here again and change the query. Okay, in that case, I need to come here again and change the query, but I don't want to change it again and again. So what I can do, I can simply use sub SQL here. Okay, what was the SQL for the 9,50,000? This is the SQL. Okay, and I can simply put it here. Miraya, Vivan, please give me confirmation whether you are getting it. I can use SQL in where clause as well. Okay, instead of value, I can simply say that SQL.
So mine is not working.
This one is not working for you?
Yes.
Okay, let me just check. Please share your screen. Okay, if Saili ma'am is there, can you please help her? You missed the comma. You missed the comma. Address, comma, name, comma, salary, comma, select salary from employee.
Oh, okay.
It's disconnected me out of my
Ah.
account for some reason.
After every column, you need to put comma.
So
Okay.
Yes, Vivan?
I was doing the work you told me, and then I was just practicing some other stuff and remembering it. But now it's signed me out, and it's not letting me sign back in.
Okay, just show your screen. Miraya, please unshare your screen. Yeah. Please share your screen, Vivan. Okay, try the command one more time.
Just okay. Now it's signing me back in. It made me close that.
Okay, now try the MySQL -u.
Copy it from the chat.
If you want to run the previously run command, you can simply press Control R, guys. Control R for reverse search. Control R.
Control R.
Just first backspace. Control R. MySQL my backspace my no y SQL and press again Control R.
Failed
Again
again.
Control R.
I'm pressing it. It's saying not working.
Fine. I think it was not saved. Fine. You can simply press backspace. Escape backspace. Okay. Escape.
Okay.
Yeah. And remove that and type it again.
Okay.
Vivan, you have a mistake in MySQL spelling. You put double L.
Yeah, I'll just read it.
Yeah, MySQL. It should be MySQL.
Yeah, I just have to. Yeah, I'll just read it.
Fine. So, guys, the last query which I'm going to give you, and then we will wrap up the session. Suppose we need to find the highest salaried employees. Okay. Highest salaried employees. We have done this query. Okay. Let's say now, can you please give me the query to find all the employees who have the minimum salary? Okay. Anyone have the minimum salary?
So could it be the same code except instead of max salary it would be MIN?
Try this. Yes. And
Okay.
what if, yeah, and the last one, show all employees who have more than average salary. whose salary
So the two questions are the same, right?
Yes, this is the same.
Sir, I'm getting the answer.
Okay. Can you please guide me? How can I?
Okay, sir. So what you have to do is select name and salary. Okay, from here only. All you need to change is instead of equals to, you have to put a greater than sign, and instead of MIN, you have to write AVG.
Great. Okay. For your homework, guys, this is the only command you need to keep with you. For the homework, find all employees
Hmm?
having second highest salary. Okay, this command you need to give. Okay, next week, Saturday or Sunday, whenever you are available, you need to give me this command. Okay, find all employees having second highest salary. The recordings I will put after the processing. Okay.
Okay.
And another assignment link also I will give you in the WhatsApp group. And guys, practice it whenever you get time. If not, then we will revise. Like we will try to solve the this SQL in next week. Okay, guys.
So we have
So
only one homework, right?
sorry, come again.
We have one homework, right?
Yeah, for now, this is the one homework you have. Okay. And another SQL assignment link I will give you, but that is not mandatory. You can try it for practice. Okay. But this is the one homework you need to do. Okay. So that's it for now, guys.
Okay.
I'll see you next week and bye. Take care.
Bye, sir.
Yeah, bye. Thank you.